Hi guys, and welcome back to another edition of entertainment news from NAIJA and Entertainment. Why you dey touch me like that? Wizkid reacts as male fan tried caressing him on stage. It's that time of the year where Nigerian stars hit the stage back to back at different events across the country, and there is a term for that. You must have heard about the infamous Dirty December slang. While Nigerian singer wizkid was on stage doing what he was paid to do, a curious male fan decided to see if he can make advances at the Nigerian star boy. Well, it turned out sour for him. In a video making rounds on social media, a man could be seen in the mammoth crowd trying to get wizkid's attention as he performs on stage. One would not have known had wizkid not called him out. The star boy, who felt a different touch amidst the multitude of hands on his body, quickly rebuffed the advances of a rainbow man trying to see if he could touch the hem of wizkid's garment without him knowing. Just as Jesus spotted the woman in the issue of blood, wizkid felt the awkward touch and said, "This guy, you get girlfriend for house? Why they touch me like that?" Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell button for notification when a new story drops.